Okay, we will scan and then let's give a few minutes before we start. Okay, we haven't started yet. Can everyone hear me? Okay, let's begin. Okay, today what I want to cover is again I want to go through the comparative scan, but I found a shortcut for you to put up into your watch list. Okay, if you have came for our webinar before, I showed you the comparative scan, how to save the watch list through layout. Okay, but right now I want to show you an even easier way to actually scan the stocks. Okay, so let's go do a bit of revision. Okay, for this comparative scan, we will use the new price and volume scan and comparative RDL. We will use RDL for those that are using MetaStock 13. For those that are using CQ data, you will use the new price and volume and the CQ scan, these two. Okay, so if you are using MetaStock 13, then you should have comparative new price and volume and comparative RDL. Okay, so go next. This one you do next. Okay, so today agenda we will cover a comparative scan again. I'll show you a shortcut that I have done, and this will save you a lot of time, and also you are able to shortlist the list of stocks. Okay, previously when we do the comparative scan, after that we save the whole list. Okay, or we need to save up, or we need to open up the charts and then save it as a layout. But today I want to show you a easier way of doing it. Okay, we just wait for a few minutes, wait for the scan to be done. So let's check everyone can hear me, right? Okay, good. Just a few more minutes. Let's get this started. Okay, after you have done the scan, right? You should have a list. Actually, I've done this twice, but I'll show you the procedure how you scan for the stocks. Okay, so after you have done this, any questions so far on the comparative? No, right? Very straightforward. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, so we have the report. Click on report. Okay, previously, right, when we show you how to actually open up the stocks, we will show you like you click on day, either you click on day for the strong stocks, correct? Or you click on week for the strong stocks. Usually it will be for the similar stocks. Okay, let's say example we have Cinemas here, Value Max, Istra, CSE. We clear the week, we get the similar stocks. Okay, Cinemas, Value, Extra, CSE. Okay, the stocks won't change a lot. Okay, so if you have Cinema, CSE, Value Max. Okay, so about the same list. Okay, so normally when you want to open up, you want to save the list, you will look at the top 5. Okay, and strongest, that means the most positive numbers, and then the most negative numbers, correct? Okay, so normally what we do is you go to here, you open up charts, okay, and then you open up charts again. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to go to File, New, Layout, and then save all this under a layout. Okay, find it this way is a bit long. Okay, so one way what you can do is after you have scanned for the stocks, after you scan for the stocks, you can actually right click on the stocks. Okay, let's say example you want 5 stocks, right? So you shift and choose the 5 stocks. Okay, these are the strong stocks, right? So you right click, okay, add to custom list, and then you can create a new list. From here you can, let's say call it, let's say put this today's date, today is the 7th of July. 07 slash strong. Okay, create. Okay, so you put the 5 stocks into your watch list. Okay, so it's under strong. Okay, after that click on OK. Next, let's say I want to choose the weakest stock. These are the weakest stock. Okay, again choose the 5 weakest stock. Right click, add to custom. Okay, so you create new 07 week stock. Okay, so you have put 5 strong stock and 5 weak stock, and you have created the watch list for them. Okay. Okay, let's go one more step forward. Just now we have ranked based on weeks, correct? Okay, let's say we rank on based on days. Okay, based on days, and let's put up the 5 stocks also, and then right click, save to custom list, put it on the strong stocks. Okay, so this extra stocks will be there. On the week, same thing. Right click, add to custom list, the week stock will be there. Okay, so you can see from the strong stocks, for the week and the day, there's only 1 more extra stocks. Okay, for the week one, okay, also same. Okay, so let me close this. So what we have done, we have actually saved the strong stocks, okay, based on week, strong stock based on day, and save it into one custom list. Okay, and the strong weak stocks based on week and weak stock based on day, we have also save it onto a custom list. So now this question is how to access this list. Click on Power Tools, go to Charts, go all the way up, you see your strong stocks. You have your 6 strong stocks here, which is the usual suspects. Okay, we have the Sigma, Pacific Radiance, correct? We mentioned about Pacific Radiance, Astra, okay? Mentioned about Astra, okay, and some of these usual stocks, okay? So these are the stocks for strong stocks, and these are the stocks for the weak stocks, okay? The only not so good thing about this compared to if you do it like a layout is you cannot open up all the charts together, okay? If you do this, sometimes it will hang. Okay, so what you can do is you go to open up. Okay, next, open charts. Okay, then you can look at the charts. Any question? Any question? Clear? Okay, so let's say example, you want to look for the next stock, then you go to next. Okay, I need to apply template. Okay, next. Okay, go next. Okay, then you can choose, you can have a view of all the stocks. Follow? These are the what? These are the weak stocks. Okay, these are the weak stocks. If you select all and you next and open up chart, sometimes because you open up 8 charts, it may hang. Okay, so what you do is you go to first one, next, open charts. Follow? Then after that, you want to see the other stocks is all here. MTech, Biosensor, Goldpac, Indo-Agri, all these, the 8 stocks are here. Got it? So you want to choose, let's say Silver Lake, choose security, then you do the same thing again. Follow? Okay, any question? Yeah, for version 11, also the same thing. You can right click and save, if I'm not wrong. Any question? So when you do this, right, it saves you a lot of trouble to open up the layout, save the layout, and things like that. Okay. The other way, which I mentioned also, is which is like that. You go to here, look at reports, and if you want to save the entire list, you can also save that. You go to save list, and then save the entire list. Follow? But sometimes you don't want to save the entire list. You just want to save the, let's say, the top strong stocks. Then in that case, you just right click on the stocks. Any question? And since you are here, let's also look at the individual stocks. Let's look at the strong stocks and the weak stocks. Okay, so this is a strong stock. What stock is it? CSE Global. Okay, CSE Global, resistance here. Okay, say this is a resistance. Okay, and yeah, this is a very, very significant resistance. Okay, if you ask me, if you clear this resistance, I will buy. Okay, because if we can go here, CSE Global, if you can clear here, it may reach to maybe here. Okay. So 625, based on CSI, you need to buy above 625, 63 and above. Okay. Any question? Oh, by the way, if you see this kind of charts, okay, and you see that it's still in the consolidation zone, like example, the first arrow, you may choose not to buy. Let's say example here, right? Okay, even though got trend rating, but you see it's in the consolidation zone still. Okay, it may be an early signal. Okay, the next signal here may be a better signal to buy. Okay, any question? Anyway, even if you buy here, I feel it's still early lah. It's about correct time. Let's say example, it goes to 6.3. I think we may have a run. Okay, based on the consolidation zone here, and then now break 6.3. I think it can go higher. Okay, any question? Any question? Okay, so you can write down CSE Global. Okay. How do you see consolidation zone? This is a resistance. Okay. Resistance, 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 resistance. Okay. The longer the resistance, the more. Okay, so you have here the resistance, here, here, ground, and the support will be here and below. Okay, the next, you see when you clear here, right? There's not much resistance. There's one resistance here, support, resistance here, turn support, and then after that, next one will be here. Any question? No, let's move forward. Okay, this for CSE Global. I think it's quite a good setup. Do monitor, not inducement to buy. Please do your own homework. Okay. Next one is, so we want to look for next charts. Go to charts, strong stocks. Okay. Oh, sorry. No need because since it's already here. So you go to next. Okay, you need to do something. If you want to open up every chart the same default template, what you do is go to options, tools, option, under chart options, use chart as template. Okay, use chart as template. Okay, I repeat again. If you want to open up every stock, right? Let's say just now I open that one is CSI, correct? Then when I scroll next, it comes to this one, right? It comes to a blank chart. I don't want that. What I want is every time I open CSI, the next chart I open is also CSI based on the previous template. So what I do, I go to here, tools, option. Now I use smart chart, right? I'm going to change to use chart as template. Okay, then okay. Okay, now you see I scroll every chart. It's based on the current template. Got it? So what I do is right click, apply template, apply my CSI template. Okay. Then I scroll. Follow? Scroll. Scroll. Okay. Scroll back to CSE. Okay, so it's a rotation of the charts based on CSI. Any question? Okay. Remember, tools, option, chart option, use chart as template. Okay, okay. Okay, now next one, next stop. Extra, okay, extra. This is like just now the stock CSE Global, but this one broke out already. Can I see? Test, 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 break. Okay, again, this is the resistance. This is the next resistance over here. Okay. Okay, so for this stock extra, if you have not bought, okay, and you wait for the next signal. Okay, now I think it's a bit overbought already. Okay, wait for it to come down, maybe test the support again, turn up, then you can look at it. Okay, right now it's currently overbought. Okay, any question? Like example, in this case, here, likelihood that this one you won't buy lah, correct? Because this one is no trend inside the zone with no trend rating. Okay, but this one is almost like CSE already at the resistance, correct? So once it break above the resistance on 5, you can buy. Okay, I can give you even like 116. Okay, then to buy. Any question? Okay, how do you know it's overbought? You can go here, look at go here. Let's say you look at CCI. Okay, CCI standard. They see that it's overbought already. Okay. Oh. Another way to see if it's a stock that rise like consecutively for 5 days, chances are it's overbought already. Understand? So let's say example in this case, yes, rise how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days already. So the CCI will tell you it was overbought. Okay. Just like when it was here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, overbought. Okay, so that's how you see overbought. Any question? So overbought, oversold is a oscillator. Okay, so market will move from overbought to oversold, oversold to overbought. Okay, so every few days it will oscillate. Okay, it will oscillate. So if it goes up too much, more than 5 days, it will come back down. Got too much, come back down. Okay, it's like a wave. Okay. Viewer 9, okay. No question. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this stock appeared on the strong scan. Okay, what stock is this? This stock is Link Energy. Okay, why? Because on the last 5 days it moved up. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relative to the market is strong. Follow? Relative to the market is strong, but it's don't have buy signal. Okay, because the trend is still red, so skip. Okay, next time maybe then look at it. Okay, next. Okay, this one in this case is many buy signal area. Okay, the stock over here. This is a breakout. Can you see? Resistance and breakout. With trend rating. Okay, with trend rating with resistance. This one is like a good trade. Okay, good setup. Okay, add-on position, add-on position. Currently, what is this Pacific Radiance? What is the market telling you is the momentum up has a bit slowed down. Right? Momentum up, there's a bit of slowdown in the momentum. Okay, the safest way is to follow system. Okay, use this. Let's say example you bought here. Use this as a trail stop. Okay, if you are not familiar with technical analysis, the best way is just to follow the system. Okay, what it does, it will help you to ratchet up your gains. So now if it drops below this 1, 3, 2, will get out. Okay, if it doesn't, just hang on. Okay. The reason you want to follow a system versus like you do TA, right, is because when you follow a system, there is no subjectivity. I think for new people, the question is not whether your TA is good or no good. Even your TA is good, but because you or you haven't reached the competence yet. So what happened is you tend to be subjective. You learn this, you learn that. Then when you be subjective, then you become risky. Okay, you become stressful also because you don't know exactly when to get in, when to go. So the purpose of a GPS is like that. Okay, if you have walked the route many times, you know the way from here A to B, you have been through many times, no problem, you can just take the shortcut. Okay, but if it's the first time you are getting from A to B, okay, and you don't know how to go, the best way is to follow GPS. Okay, the GPS may not give you the direct straight line from A to B. It may ask you do a bit of detour, but eventually you get it to B. You see, okay. And most people in stock they never go from A to B before. Most of them they start from A and then they get lost. So the purpose of having a system is like a GPS. Even though sometimes they give you 走冤枉路, but at the end of the day you go to B. So that is the reason why for a newbie, especially for people who are not making money yet, it's best way for psychology is to follow a system. After you have done it a few times, you have moved from A to B a few times, you know how to reach from A to B, then you can take shortcut. Okay, it means you can know oh, this is the way to do it. Okay, but before you go into that stage of going from A to B, the best thing for a newbie to do is to follow a system. You understand psychology? It may not be the most direct path, okay? And sometimes it's not the most direct path, okay? You may get you out and then get you in again. But because eventually you get it there, that is what we want. And any question? So that is important of system, okay? Why you have you know exactly when to get in, know exactly when to get out. Okay. Then the next question, however, why when the price is here, okay, we don't get out? Why must suffer the loss? We should have like sell here, and then after that when it come down and buy back again, then sell higher again. Okay. Again, this is something to do with the how the thing is. So people say, why don't we sell here at 135 and then come back to 125, got 10 cents, then we buy back 125 again. Then when I reach here 135 again, we sell again. You know what I mean? We can do a trick, Why do we want to don't sell? See, the reason is because the CSI is more of a long-term system. You want to basically the idea is to build up position. It's not to get in and out, in and out. You follow? Any question? So if you are trained, you will see that currently this stock, the momentum has dropped. This part is going up, this part momentum has dropped. Does it mean that it will not go up again? Doesn't mean that, okay? But it means that the momentum has dropped. So maybe watch out. Okay. Another way to see is the trend rating from very high, now it's becoming minus already. So means the current uptrend is weakening. Okay. Does it mean to sell? Even if you sell here, I think you're okay. If you sell now it's 139, you sell 132, okay, still okay. Follow? If you for start, that is the best thing you can do. Okay. Any question? So a system gives you an objective way of getting in and out. And I feel that sometimes that is the most important. Okay. And not to make your trading so subjective. Okay. Or make your trading be dependent on someone or somebody. Even worse. Okay. If you're trading to depend on someone, then you are just like the little sampan in the ocean. Every day look for views. That's even worse. Okay. So next one is Sigma's land. Okay, today has went up quite a bit. It has broken above resistance. Okay, won't buy now. Okay, again it's overbought. Wait for pullback. Wait for the next arrow. Okay, the next arrow will come. If it maintains above here, I think the next arrow will come. Okay, so these are stocks, comparative stocks, which you should put it into a watch list. Okay, for buying. Value Max. Okay. Another thing we talk about is overlapping candles. Okay, overlapping candles. What does it mean by overlapping candles? Say example, a stock is like that. Okay, like this, and like this. Okay, so you can see from here to here, it's like maybe 2 weeks. The stock fluctuate between, it's overlapping. Can you see? This candle is overlapping this candle. This candle is overlapping this candle. This candle, all are overlapping. Okay, so there's a lot of overlapping candle. There's no clear trend for this stock. Furthermore, this stock is a 50-cent stock. Okay, just past the 50 cents, that's why it managed to come into the list. Okay, so I will not trade such stocks. Okay, I want to trade stocks with nice pattern. Okay, things like that. Dash is no good. Dash is no good. Dash is no good. Okay, I want to look for stocks that are not like that. Not a lot of dash, not a lot of overlapping. Any question? No question? Okay, let's move on. So value max, I will take it out, even though it's a bit strong. Okay, same thing here. What is this stock? CAC Global. Okay. See here, right? CAC Global is in the consolidation zone. Okay, so what happens is sometimes it's like that, overlapping, and then after that, break out of a zone, and then it starts to trend. Okay, see? Overlapping, and then start to trend. Oh. But while it's overlapping now, don't trade lah. Like here, it's all overlapping. Okay, okay, all the way overlapping, and then after that, then it starts to trend. Follow? Okay, so we have finished with the strong stocks. Let's go to the weak stocks. Weak stock, we have 8. For the first one, for CSI, open charts. This is a weak stock. Okay, so this is a weak stock over the last 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is weak. Okay, and there's no trend. Okay, this stock obviously no trend. So even with arrow and things like that, don't buy. Okay, this stock has no trend. In fact, we skip. Next, so weak stock we are looking to short. Okay, again to this stock after 5 days, maybe today drop again. Nothing to buy. Okay, today drop quite a bit. Nothing to buy. Next stock. This is what stock. Goodpack. Okay, Goodpack. Goodpack got corporate action. Okay, but let's say if this stock has no corporate action, with this kind of charts, it is no good. Can you see? Up and then down. Okay, this kind of stock is not good. But this one got corporate action. Okay, I think they have a offer and things like that. So don't touch. Once the stock has corporate action, likelihood the corporate action will affect the stock more than the stock itself. Okay, so no short. Okay, this stock is good. Indo Food Agri. Okay, so stocks that have no overlapping is something like that. Okay, trend. Okay, trend. Okay, downtrend. Okay, so it's good. This kind of stock is good to stock. Indo Agri is a good stock to choose. Okay, so now you see that the support is here, 99 cents. It's broken down support. Okay, down. Okay, so hang on. If you're shorted, I believe some of you have shorted this stock. Hang on to your short. Okay, if another thing to take note is I mentioned about when to use the dotted black line and when to use the candlestick term blue. Okay, like example, you shorted here earlier, and you short here 1, 2, and you short here 3. 50, 30, 20. If it breaks above here and close above here, okay, you need to calculate your total position, your 50, 30, 20. Okay, whether it's profitable. If the total is profitable, you may choose to take profit. Okay, it means you add up all the 3 positions. Okay, and then you count, hey, you are in the profit. You may take profit. Okay. However, let's say example, you are not in profit. Let's say you only did this one, and you have this cover. Then you don't need to cover lah. Okay, you don't need to cover. Then you wait for it to go up. So it doesn't mean that 532 you must be all profitable. It doesn't mean that you need to add up all the 3 positions and then see whether total is profitable. If total is profitable, you can choose to or choose not to do the short. Okay. Then, but let's say if you're not profitable, then you wait for the candlestick to turn blue. Any question? So why you need to wait for the candlestick to turn blue is you are trying to give it a bit more space so that see whether it can turn back. Let's say in this case, turn back bearish again. Okay. So if I'm not wrong, this stock went very close. You see, it went down, went very close to turn blue. You see, it went very close to above the blue line. Almost touching, then almost touching, and then turn back down. Good thing. Okay, thank God it didn't turn blue, so you hang on to your shots. Follow? So it's not foolproof, okay, but as much as possible, it allows you to ride on the existing trend. Okay, so the stock is down, so you look for the downside more. Okay, any question? Okay, so it's very fast, right? You could click on the next stock. Okay, this stock is also down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you see comparatively, and this stock is weak because 5 days is down. Okay, that's why comparatively it's weak. Okay, next stock don't have. This stock also down. Okay, what stock is this? Silver Lake. Okay, so after the run, break support. Okay, let's say example you bought earlier, here break support, you can consider to sell. Okay, right now it has down again because why? You calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is down, correct? And right now, I would say that if you are long, you may consider seriously to cover your long. It means take profit for a long. Okay, the trend is weakening. Follow? The trend is weakening. How to say is again, you can see this line is coming down. Okay, the price is coming down. Okay, it does not mean downtrend. Okay, but you be careful to not to buy too much already. Understand? It's not you want to look for to take profit. Sino-Granus, nothing much. So this stock, example, you look at this stock, you weren't long, okay? You weren't long here. Okay, right now it's like neither here nor there. Okay, there's a resistance here, there's a resistance here, there's a resistance here. Okay, so if the stock clear, the next resistance is here. Set not too far away. Okay, so I think that this stock is very sideways. Can you see? Oh, it's a very sideways stock. Okay, not suitable. Okay, yeah, it's more likely like a distribution kind of mode. Okay. Oh, but it's Tanjong. Okay, volume is not high, but you can see that there's a little arrow here. Volume is not high. So another way to see whether it's not suitable, example like this one, volume not high. Number 1, number 2, you see there's a lot of dash, cross, dash, not suitable. Okay, not suitable. So another key is you should look at the reason why you shouldn't take a position. Okay, not look at a reason why you should take position. So when you want to buy a stock, you need to ask yourself, why should I not buy the stock? Okay, repeat again. When you want to buy a stock, you should ask yourself, why should I not buy the stock? So if you cannot find a reason not to buy a stock, then that is the stock to buy. You follow? Because most people, when they want to buy, they are overly optimistic. Okay, they go on the optimistic mode. So they will always look for a reason. When they want to buy a stock, they will look for a reason, why should I buy the stock? So if you look for a reason why to buy a stock, of course, they will always confirm with you your view, because they have a bias already. Your bias is, I want to buy the stock. So when you ask the question, why should I buy the stock? the biasness will come and affect you, you see. So what you should do is, let's say example, you want to look to buy, you ask yourself, why should I not buy this stock? And if you cannot answer this question, there's no reason why you shouldn't buy this stock, then this is the stock to choose that. So you remove your biasness. You follow? Because we always have a bias. If you want to buy a stock, we always look for evidence to confirm our view. Follow? So if you ask the other way around, then you remove your biasness. Any question? Okay, I think we finish. Okay, another thing I want to, so far we cover on the comparative, okay, how to look for the comparative scan. I will give the comparative a higher priority over the long and short signal, okay, long and short signal. Because a lot of times you do long and short signals, sometimes it does not, even though you have a buy signal, it is not the most trending stocks. You follow? It's not the most trending stocks. Okay. I mean, anyway, just do a scanner. Okay, just to show you. Okay. So let's say example you buy. You quite a long list. Okay. CSE appeared. Okay. CSE appeared here. Okay. Appeared here. Okay. So we'll look at CSE. This CSI only 2. Okay, so likelihood is a recent up lah. Okay, recently, only 2 days ago the candlestick turned. Okay, so not so good. Okay, Umi, Ascot, these are all revised signals. Okay, AIMS, these are all revised signals. OKH. Okay, now I'm looking for stocks that are buy signals. Okay. Hong Fook run up quite a bit already. You see, okay. Trend rating is also reducing. No trend. This arrow has no trend rating. Okay, it's no trend rating, so maybe shouldn't look at it already. Okay. Let me just check something. Okay, Hong Fook is quite near. See, on the comparative is still quite near on this upper scale. Okay. The number 7. Okay, number 7. So comparatively, it's still strong. It's just today not strong lah. Okay, today is it's quite weak. Okay, not so strong. Okay, but the last on the week scan is still number 7. Okay, but this stock has a bit of no trend rating already. Okay. Oh, by the way, when you look for the long scan again, you can do the same thing. Okay. You can do the same thing. Let's say example, you want just the buy list. Okay. You want just the buy list. So what you do is you go click on here. Click on here. Go to shift. Right click add the custom list. Okay. Give it a name. You can also put that list. Okay. You can also put it into, like say, you give it CSI buy signal for today. Okay. Next. Okay, so the example, this one got arrow, but not suitable lah. Okay. No trend, not suitable. Okay. Sideways consolidation. So if you just look at the arrow, you say, hey, this is good, but this is not good. Okay. This one also same. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about the same price. Next. Same thing. Hey, why am I here? Wrong. Okay. Bot. Okay, never mind. Let's do this. Just to show you an example. Okay, click here. Shift key. Click here. Choose all the lists. These are the stocks with arrow. Add to custom list. Give it a name. Create. Let's say 07 CSI by. Okay, create. Okay. Charts. CSI by. Okay. Click on the first one. Next, open up Smart Chart. Open up with template. Okay, look at the first one. Okay. This one, overlapping candle. Okay. Overlapping candles. And not really strong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not really strong. There's a resistance here. Okay. There's a resistance around here. Okay. But all overlapping candles. So I'll skip this. Today is quite strong, but let's got read again. So chances are read is usually quite overlapping. Okay, read. Boomi. Okay. Today is quite good. Okay. Today is quite good. There is a resistance above here. One, I think very near already lah. The resistance is here or here. Okay, here or here. These are the two resistance. Okay. Just wonder why Boomi didn't appear on my comparative. Hang on. Boomi should appear. Also a bit. Okay, so still quite low lah, Boomi. Okay. So basically what it does is it look at the comparative from here 5 days, it would check the percentage. What's the percentage rise? Then from there it would calculate whether it's stronger or weaker. Okay. Any question so far? So Boomi, there is a resistance here at about 129. Okay, 129. There's resistance here. If you can clear, then you can go higher. But if not, then the resistance at 129 will hold. Okay. CSE, no more. This one, too many arrows already. On folk, that's why I covered too many arrows already. This one, OKH, too many overlapping candles. Okay, not comparatively not strong stock also. Okay. Pacific Radiance, too many arrows, and also trend rating coming down. This one was Sigma Exchange, no need to see. Okay, this kind of stock with arrow, no need to see. Okay, this one sideways. Okay, so you see if you use the arrow one, I think out of all the arrow, maybe Boomi is the one that is a little bit better, but Boomi has a 129 resistance. That's all. Okay, but in terms of comparative, the one that's moved the most is the others. That's why I show you the few. Okay. Any question? So by doing a comparative scan, you can actually put your arena in the stocks that are the most trending. Okay, either downtrend or uptrend. Okay, if you do the short scan, I'll just do the short scan also. Oh, no, cannot. Sorry, short scan, you must do everything again. Go to short scan, new price and volume, short scan. Look for SGX, Singapore Exchange. Okay, do a short scan. Okay, any question? That's a good time to ask question. Yeah, 10 more minutes. Any question? I won't spend too much time on the individual stocks because I trust that in your small group you'll have like enough discussion in your small groups. Okay. So I don't want to spend so much time on the individual stocks. Rather spend time on educating. Oh, by the way, tomorrow there is the Asiatic, the CEO coming to speak. Anybody coming? 7 p.m. Okay, at Grand Building. So if you all can make it, can come down lah. Can do a bit of fundamental and also this is a turnaround story. So chances are when it's a turnaround story, you can't really see a lot of reports. Okay, the annual reports will still be not nice. Okay, because the half yearly report is based on the reported half yearly. Okay, so there are some new development that are already announced. So you can go ask them about, hey, what are how this new development will affect them. They may not tell you numbers, but at least they will tell you like how it impact the business and things like that. So it's a good way to also learn how ask some question to learn. Okay. Okay, so again, you can go shift, right click, save to custom list, create new. Okay. And 07 sell this. CSI sell. Okay, create. Okay, so you have 4 lists. You close it. Sell, got 4 stocks. Open the first one. Next, open charts. Oh, forget to apply template. Right click, apply template. CSI template, apply. Okay. First arrow down. Okay, too early. Okay, too early. Got 1 arrow down. No trend rating. Too early. Okay. See whether got another move down or not. That means it will come down this way. Test doesn't break a new high. Okay. Generally, I look for lower high, lower. Okay, this one is a bit too early. Okay. Capital Mall. Hong Kong Land. Okay, there's an arrow here. There's an arrow here. There is a small support here. Okay, there's a small support here. Also, this support is quite strong. Okay, so there's quite a strong support here. Okay, this stock is definitely not bullish, correct? It's not bullish. Look at the trend line. Okay, broken trend line today. Okay, not bullish. Okay, it may be bearish, but this support is quite strong. 640 is quite strong. Okay, test. Okay, so I think this support is quite a strong support. Okay, but it's not bullish. So generally, if you know that, hey, this stock you shouldn't go long. Okay. One more thing. Let me finish up this one. I show you one more thing. Keppel Land, no trend rating. Okay, got a lot of arrow, no trend rating. So cannot. Next one. This one is down. Okay, not so good. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. Is let's say example you scan for the stocks and under your list, right? Let's say you have 8 stocks. Okay, assuming now you only got 8 stocks, but let's say example you got a longer list. Okay, let's say you have a list of let's say 20 stocks. You can also do Explorer on the weak stocks. Follow? Click on here, Explorer. Okay, let's say I want to do only short scan. Short scan. Okay, short scan, CSI short scan. Click next. Instead of using Singapore Exchange, you choose the week scan with stock. It means the 8 stock. And you can just run it through very quickly, 8 stock only, and then I give you a report. Okay, so today, is there any stock that are weak stock and has arrow? So Tanjong have lah. Today, weak stock and got arrow. Follow? Repeat again with the strong stocks. Okay. Buy arrow, buy signal. Next, look for the strong stocks. Next, so you're looking for among all the strong stocks, the top 5 strong stocks, top 6 strong stocks. What are the stocks that has arrow to buy today? Okay, very quickly go through. There is 1, 2. Okay, so after that, go and see the chart itself. Correct. Any question? Okay, one question. Hong Kong Land, is there divergence CSI less than 0, trend rating more than 1? Okay. Hong Kong Land. Hong Kong Land. Hong Kong Land. CSI sell. Okay. Hong Kong Land next. Okay. Hong Kong Land is a divergence. CSI less than 0, trend rating above. Yes. Okay, not divergence. It's telling you that can you see from here? From here to here, no trend. Follow? From here to here, trend rating is below 0. With the price move from here to here going nowhere. Okay, from here onwards, there's like an impulse, boom, up, arrow, boom, up, arrow, boom, up. So it's like, hey, there's a downward move strength. Okay, versus the upward move. Okay, example here, up move got strength, no more strength. Now downward move got strength. So it's also telling you like that. Okay, Hong Kong Land is more on a downward move with strength. Follow? Not divergence. It's more like telling you that now the move down has strength. Okay, you follow? Okay, last one is 2 more minutes. Wonder you comment STI at the beginning. Comment. Okay, let's do a STI. Okay. Then we will close it. Okay. Today, that's it. Okay. See STI. Next. This is the previous homework done here. Okay, there was a gap up and then get price support, resistance, turn support. Okay, now go up. Okay. Market is consolidating in this area. Okay, this area now. Okay, so last time, long time ago is support, support, and resistance here, correct? Support resistance here. This one and this one. Okay. Now we have playing in a new support resistance, which is here, 3,220 to 3,300. Okay. Now this is the new support resistance. Okay. Volume is very, very low. So slightly likelihood is still in a like a sideways consolidation. So okay, 3,300, 3,220 and 3,300 for 80-point range. Okay, likelihood you continue to be in this range. Okay. Any question? No question. Last thing is, for those who are not in the mentoring, I encourage you all to join the mentoring course, because the upcoming one we're going to touch on is a swing trade. Okay, some of the additional things about swing trade. So to sign up for the mentoring, if you haven't signed up, go ahead, talk to Alicia. Okay, to sign up for the mentoring. Okay. Any other question? 10:30 already. Any other question? Okay, no question. Then thank you very much. If you're coming tomorrow, I see you tomorrow. If not, I see you on the next mentoring. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.